We're at gotomath.com. Click on the calculus. There's a reason why there's a pause there, 5 seconds. I have learned that there's some sneaky people out there that have put my videos on their something website, and then they skip the first 5 or 6 seconds somehow and skip some stuff. So we're going to have to get smarter. We got the integral of -2 to 9 of 4x plus 5 quantity squared dx. All right. Ooh, rounded 2 decimal places. So I've got that written down. Let's go on over to the whiteboard and see what we got. So we got the integral going from -2 to 9. All right. And we got 4x plus 5 quantity squared dx. Now, previous section there was only one problem. I showed how to do u substitution, but we're just going to have to do it the old-fashioned way. All right. So let's pretend f of x is equal to 4x plus 5. So there's a reason why I'm actually writing up here too, because they like to cut that part off when they copy the video. Boy, let me just catch you one time. Alright, so let's multiply this stuff out. You got 4x times 4x is equal to 16x squared. Then 4x times this is 20x plus 20. You know, it's like people don't have anything better to do in their life. It's like, you know, why don't you make your own math videos instead of stealing everybody else's? It's ridiculous. I actually caught a math professor. I'm not going to mention the university, but yeah, they put his own website together and went and stole a bunch of people's YouTube videos, put it on there. A professor at a university, I'm not kidding. I called the department, man. I raised hell. I'm like, why didn't that dude, he's a math professor, make his own videos? God, you know, I'm just trying to help people out. Guarantee you won't see any of that kind of stuff on my channel or my website. So we went ahead and fulled this thing out. All right, and now we go ahead and take the integral of it. I want to make sure while I was rambling on, get me started. We got 16x cubed over 3 plus 40x squared over 2 plus 25x, and we're going from -2 to 9. So go ahead, plug all this stuff in. So 16 times 9 cubed over 3 plus, and of course we can actually break that down, and I think I will. 20 times 9 squared plus 25 times 9. And then we got 16 over 3 times -2 cubed plus 20 times -2 squared plus 25 times -2, and we'll close that up right there. I'm going to go ahead and put an equal sign right here. So I'll let you get this, and I'm going to pause this and check this thing. So the first one, I'll just go ahead and write it here. This the first part right here, actually, let's just do it here. The first part is I come up with 5733 minus, and then the second part was a negative 38 over 3. Now the reason I'm putting this as a fraction right here so we don't get any kind of round off error, so we want to use the exact value. Okay, use the exact value. So we got a minus and a minus, so we end up adding those together. And then I'm going to go ahead and round, what are we rounding to? 2 decimal places, or you could try just putting the exact value. I don't know, whatever you want to do there. But I'm getting 5745.67. Wait a minute. Yeah, 2 decimal places. Okay, let you see that one more time. 5745.67. The answer 5745.67. Making sure everything's good and it all looks good. Okay, so you want to come on by. Now there's a lot easier way to integrate that using what's called use substitution, we call it. But let's say you've forgotten it, right? So come on by go2math.com. Make sure you're at go2math.com or my YouTube channel if you're watching this stuff. Okay, appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.